Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to create a standard report within Salesforce. So from your homepage, you want to go to the navigation bar and click on Reports at the top. Alternatively, if you don't have it up there, if you go onto the left-hand side where the little waffle is and type in Reports, that'll bring you to the same page. Now on the right-hand side here, you've got New Report, so click on that. On the left-hand side, you've got all of the objects that you can choose to create a report from. So we're going to go to Opportunities. I'm going to go to this top one, click on that, and click on Start Report. Now we're in the report builder. So as you can see on the left-hand side here where it says Outline, we've got a section saying Columns. Now these fields here relate to the columns at the top here. So Owner Role, Opportunity Owner, Owner Role, Opportunity Owner. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of a few of these that aren't needed just to make it a little bit tidier. So Fiscal Period, Amount, Expected Revenue, Probability, we'll get rid of a couple of more of these. Okay. And while we're in this position, what I would recommend doing is on the top right hand corner over here, we've got a section that says Update Preview Automatically. I'd recommend ticking that, toggling that on, and that means that as you're building your report, it will update in the preview. So you'll be able to see your report as you're building it rather than seeing the finished product right at the end. So where we've got this section that says columns, as I said, you can change these, you can move these around to suit your needs. Say you want to see the close date first, you can move that right to the beginning, and then that'll go first. If you do want to add another field in, you can search in there. So you say you want to created by, you've got that there. Said you can move these around. You can also search for fields on the left hand side here. So you click on fields, you can see all of the opportunity fields. You can also see the fields that are related to objects that are related to the opportunity as well. So you've got account and also contact, and then you can add those in there as well. Here you've got a section called filters. Now if you click on filters, as you said, it's got a 1, which is a notification that we've got one filter in this report currently. This is the one filter that we've got on, as you can see, close date, current fiscal quarter. Now this isn't what we want to be able to see all time, so we change the range to all time, click on apply, and look at that, it shows us all of the opportunities that are available. Now, if we did want to see opportunities that were in a particular stage, so let's say we wanted to see opportunities that were in the qualification stage, if you search for the field that you want, so we want to see a stage, then it brings up this next section, which stage equals, and it asks for a value. Now, we want qualification, so if you scroll down, click on qualification, and click apply. Now it will show all opportunities that are in the qualification stage. As you can see, there's only one, which is this one here, Dickinson Mobile Generators. If you click Save and Run, give your opportunity report a name. So opportunities in qualification. Misspell opportunities there. Then when you come down to the folders, make sure that you save your report into a folder that you can view. So we'll put it in the public reports for the time being, select folder and click save, and it'll take you to your report. So as you can see, we've got one opportunity with a close date of the 20th of August, Dickinson PLC, Dickinson Mobile Generators, and this one's in qualification. Now, if we wanted to edit it, we can just click on edit and go back into it and move it around as needs be. So that's how you build a standard report within Salesforce. If you do have any questions or if there's anything else that you guys want to see, please let me know in the comments section and I'll be happy to make a video on it. Thanks all, take care.